We can handle all online courses: computer science, business math, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied sciences, and many more. We will help you in weekly quizzes, assignments, exams, thesis writing, dissertation writing, Matlab, all courses.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we go to question number 1. We need to open two files here, the first one and the second one. And now we need to select about enable editing here. Similar for the second one. And in this situation, we select about this one. So if you have the printer, you can select about options here, but I don't have the printer right now, so that's why it's blank. So in this case, you go to the scaling and select about click on this page here, and that's the answer for number 13. Number 14, we need to create a new worksheet between the module sales and online sales. So I will select this one, and we need to rename this one, and that is about loan. After that, we need to change the tag color, and we need to select about orange, this one, and that's the answer for C. Now we enter the information. How to fix column A. Set the width of column B is 16. So I will select this one, and I will go to this one here, and I will write 16. And this is the answer for X. About G, we apply policy for cell B number 1. So B number 1 here, go to home. Go to this one, currency, and this type after this one. So let's see about country. About H, we apply the formula BMT. We should not use about negative value for the PV argument in here. So we have the right for this one, and for that for this one, negative value for PV. And now we got the answer for X. I forget this is for multiple. This point is out by year, so this one should be by 12. Sorry about that. So the correct answer should be in this one. Now about thesis, we need to apply, or we need to type about total payments. About thesis, we need to enter the formula in here. So that is about the monthly payment amount. That's in this one. Asterisk, we put about number of payments. That's about this one. And this is the answer for trade. Now we go to this one in the cell A number 7. We write about interest rate. So the formula analysis goal 6 in here. So we set the cell that is about